what's happening right now, which is not a lot of rain, but Collin, we got a lot of heat coming our way.
Yeah, you may not like me after the end of this segment, Steve. Later this week, it is basically almost summer, right? The triple digits are going to kick in, and tomorrow, unfortunately, we have 100 degrees. I think we're going to get there. Let's start with right now, 77, dew point is 66, though still warm and muggy. Luckily, no thunderstorms to deal with tonight. Again, just to the south of I-20, big-time storms. We'll break it down why I think that happened. 94 today, average is 91, so a little above average. Still felt like nearly 100 with the heat index out there. Let's go right to radar. What's left of thunderstorm activity is still relatively weak down towards the 45 corridor. Let's zoom a little bit further down. That was where the last severe thunderstorm warning is. Let's go a little further. Again, down towards College Station, so a ways down there. So here are all the storm reports from today. The hail and the damaging winds. You saw those videos earlier. Just south of I-20, tons of storms. North of that, almost nothing. So let's, there you go. There's that one severe thunderstorm warning. The winds are still packing a punch down there. So let's go over a loop earlier today. Notice all the boundaries here. This is what I think happened. Typically, those are what we call outflow boundaries. When they run into a new environment, they'll spark storms. And they usually would spark storms right over us with all the instability. I think they kind of canceled each other out. We had a little bit of what's called subsidence, which kind of limits, it's sinking air that limits development. I think that happened. I also think we had a little bit of a cap in place at mid-levels. So as soon as parcels and air was starting to evaporate and we're starting to see storms try to get going, I think they hit that mid-level and they just stopped. One cell tried to get going about 2 hours ago, the last one here, Denton down towards even Plano, entering Collin County, and it just couldn't even hold together. Look at that. So I think we ran into an environment that did have a little bit of a cap at mid-layers. Now, I got to show you this. Futurecast tomorrow. Most of the models are trying to show something, but take this with the knowledge that the models did not get today well. So this shows storms developing tomorrow night. We're keeping a low-end risk there. If they develop, they could have some strong to severe potential. But again, it's a very low-end chance that they do develop. But this model at least is showing a pretty good chance there. But again, today was very tricky for these models to handle. Something also to watch as we go towards Monday. There's that another chance there Monday afternoon. So a hit and miss chance there. Now finally, to what you really wanted to see, the heat indices. This is just model projections, okay? But this has been up there for a few days now. Maybe a brief reprieve there on Tuesday, but watch this as we go towards Wednesday. Feels like temps, heat indices, low triple digits. Yikes, I shouldn't have showed you this one. Thursday afternoon and Friday afternoon, we're seeing some pretty high numbers here in terms of heat indices. So I guess it is getting very close to the official start of summer. Right on time, I guess. Here we go. So get ready for next week there. We have 100 degrees for tomorrow, 93 Monday, 98 Tuesday. Hit and miss chance. If one or two storms do go up, they could go strong to severe. But then get ready. Look at that late next week. The heat is on, Steve.
Gosh, Collin.
Yeah.
I think I want to say thank you.
Okay, I'll walk.
Thank you.